Hey internet, welcome to heat transfer tutorial. We got a microchip that uses 4 watts of power in a 121 degrees Fahrenheit environment. The surface area of the microchip is 0.09 square inches. We want to find the total heat dissipated in kilowatt hours. And we want to find the heat flux on the surface of the chip in watt per inch squared. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a microchip, it's using 4 watts of power. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Okay, so we want to find the heat and we want to find heat flux. Step 3, find heat formula for part A. So Q is heat, which is equal to Q dot, which is power, or the heat flow rate or heat transfer rate. Multiply by the change in time. So they did mention that in a working day, it's 8 hours for part A. Step 4, we just plug and play. So 4 watts multiplied by 8 hours is 32 watt hours. So if we divide that by 1,000, we will get 0.032 kilowatt hours, which is the heat dissipated for part A. For part B, we want to find the heat flux formula. So it is little q dot is equal to big Q dot or capital Q dot divided by area. So once again, since they've given us all the variables, we just plug and play. So 4 watts divided by 0.09 inch squared, that will give us 44.44 watts per inch squared for our heat flux for part B. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording. Save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.